This is a can of Madri, Cerveza Excepcional. This is a Guinness Surger, and it's designed to liberate the nitrogen bubbles from Guinness. I thought, what would happen if we put it on a can of ordinary beer instead? I think that's probably carbonated with carbon dioxide. Note do you see I got the matching hat to the Madri guy? No expense spared. Anyway, let's open the can, and then align the little port on the top here, the one you'd normally partake of your beer from, with the little aperture on the surger, and blast it with ultrasonic energy and see what happens. So I'm going to push the button to start this. It's now surging. Let's tip it up, and if you watch, you can see it surges white. It's basically giving it an absolutely enormous head, if you'll excuse the terminology. It's very, very foamy. That's a common thing with this. This does not happen with the Guinness. Oh, no. Right, okay, this is largely foam now. It's probably a bad idea. I think this might be the last experiment I do with the Surger, because it is really just optimized for Guinness with its nitrogen bubbles for that super velvety texture. I'm going to try and drink some of this down and see how much carbon dioxide has been knocked out of this drink. It's mostly foam. It's very drinkable foam. It's very thick foam. But it is foam nonetheless. Still not actually got down to the lager yet. One moment. Still very carbonated. So really, all it's really done is put a massive foamy head in the top of this drink, and not much else. So yeah, it was worth doing. But to be honest, I think the Guinness Surger is probably left to surging Guinness, which it does very well.